Hey guys, we're here at the Landmark office downtown. I'm sitting with Rachel. I've known Rachel for a while. I didn't realize until earlier she said we've been friends on Facebook for 6 years. And so you decided to finally come to Landmark, but you went through 6 years of procrastination.
I did. Procrastination and doubting and questioning everything. I went through the ringer with it.
Yeah, so what made you decide to finally reach out to us?
What made me decide to really finally reach out to Landmark was, for one, I saw the different posts that would come up with the deletions and the different things that were going on. And I also saw the Christian atmosphere that came across.
Okay, so when you started working your credit, like how bad was your credit?
My credit was, whenever I very first started, my credit was around about a 520.
Okay.
There was probably 10 to 11 negative items when we first started on it.
Okay.
It looked like I had moved like a nomad all over the country.
Okay.
It was pretty scary looking. There wasn't getting approval for anything across the board.
Okay, so in the first 30 to 45 days, what kind of results did you see?
First 30, 45 days, we saw about 6 things come off immediately. Within definitely the first 45 days, we saw the demographical information that changed up that protects me. And then we saw the different negative items that came off really quickly.
So 6 accounts out of how many?
Whenever the very first time we pulled it, there was 11 items.
11, so 6. So how long did it take to get your credit repaired? Where is it at now? I think you had a few slow pays left, which we talked about. Those were older, like 2015. So 2 or 3 years, so they don't hurt you as bad.
Correct.
The ones that are more recent hurt you the most, and so did those all get dealt with?
They did. They all have been dealt with. Everything that was negative besides those couple of slow pays has all come off. There's one account that we still have on.
So you have one account that's left we're working on. We haven't got that off in dispute process. How are we helping with that account?
Y'all's violation team has contacted me, and there was a violation on that one account, and it's actually been turned over to the attorneys. And the attorney's office has contacted me, and we're going to take it into a courtroom and have it removed, as well as put compensation back into my pocket.
So you're telling me we didn't get it off. So not only did we're helping, we got a law firm to help you. You're not having to pay a filing fee of $400 because it's a federal filing fee of $400, and we have the law firm helping take care of this. So it's going to put money back in your pocket of $500 or more, and also it's going to come off your credit report. Is that what you're telling me?
Exactly. It's going to come off the credit report, and then there's going to be money back in my pocket.
Did you ever think that was possible, though?
No, not at all. I had no idea that you could take anything to court when it comes to violations or to your credit reports.
Right.
Had no clue.
So if somebody's listening to this, what would you say to someone else that has bad credit and they're kind of like, man, should I do something? You know, what would you say to somebody that's like sitting in that dilemma part right now? I mean, how has it been a blessing to you? What would you say to them?
I wish I would have gone a lot quicker than 6 years. You know, we put it off for a little bit because I was scared.
A little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
6 years?
6 years. And it only got worse during that time frame because I didn't know how to do what needed to be done.
Right.
So not only was I able to work with y'all as far as that is concerned, but I was also kind of coached along the way as far as how to have the confidence to handle things as well over the phone and different ideas. I would definitely tell somebody, you know, not only reach out, but then follow through. Work with them, do your part, stay up with it, because it's not just the fact of let me go forward and be able to fix credit, but also let me go forward with the better attitude and let me see, is there money that can be put in my pocket? Is there a confidence that can be found? So definitely working along with the company has taught me so much more than what I ever would have thought I could have found.
So do you think this is going to help you get a better rate on your car, get a house, get a better interest rate?
Definitely. You know, I'm definitely one of those people who is looking forward to seeing not just am I going to rent for the rest of my life. I have 2 kids at home and I want to be able to provide that home. And for the first time, this is a possibility. What's really funny is for the first time that there's a credit card that's been approved. And at my age, that's something that you're like, wow, I've never thought that was going to happen, much less so now. And so definitely, I feel like I can provide a better future for myself and my family.
Yeah, it doesn't get better than that. Folks, we thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you real soon. Have a blessed day.